Ooh, doggies, Meerkat here with freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Here to talk to you about a trade I had in the Grok trading room this morning that took a lot of patience. It was on BBY. That's right, good old Best Buy. Had earnings this morning. I hit it out of the park on revenue and on earnings, but their forecast was down, and bam, here they are at opening. This yellow line here is opening. It slammed down and it popped up. Actually, I got long here on a falling wedge, and then I got stopped out. But then I seen it was doing a bear pullback here, so I set a trade, let the market come to me, and if it goes down, I was going to be short. And sure enough, bam, there it goes. It dropped down here, and I got short here at 31.12. 31.12 I am short on BBY. So I'm going to set a trade here. It started to low base down here right at the 31 even dollar amount there. See that? So I'm going to bring a stop in, not quite in the money, and bring it here to just about this 20 moving average. So in case it blows back up, I'm only going to be out maybe 0.5% at best. So here we go. Let's see what happened next here. Bam. Oh boy, we got to pull this up here. Look at that. It was low basing there, and then bam. That's nice. And now it's doing what here? Now it's forming going back and forth here, forming a symmetrical triangle. Now this is at the end of a down leg like this is also called a bear pennant. This can be more bearish than bullish. So I'm bringing my stop down here just above break even here. In case this sucker breaks out, I'll be out of it with just a minimal loss, like a few dollars. And then but it drops down, I'm short, and that will be in my favor. And bam, there she goes. Bamity bam bam down there. This is cool. Now I'm bringing my stop in here just above this 20 moving average, which was support and resistance before. And now we're starting to form another symmetrical triangle down here. Look at that, another bear pennant being formed. So again, I'll bring my stop down here following this 20 moving average. So now I'm in the money, which means that a guaranteed winning trade here, zero risk. I love it when that happens. And now let's see what happens here next. And it's going to break down from this, or is it going to break out? What do you think here? Bam, doesn't matter what we think. It did break down, hit this 30-40 area, then pop right back up to the apex of this symmetrical triangle. So a lot of time these apexes can be areas of support and resistance. Popping up around here in the 20 moving average. Again, I have an in the money stop up here still. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit in case it decides to break out and reverse on us. But no, it doesn't. What's it doing now? Look at this. Here it goes. It tests this 30-40 line for the second time. And now it's up here and it's coming down for the third time. So I decided I was going to take out half right here, and I took out half at $30.44 for 2.1% on the first half. So let's bring our stop down for the second half. Need to change the number of shares on that because I only have half as many shares. Just above this 30-60 area. And let's follow it down. Oh, bam. Oh, look at that happen. It kabam, went to the downside. Look at that. It's down here now, low basing in this area here. And look at this, low base, low base. So I'm going to follow this 20 moving average down, bringing my 20 this down here. And now look at that, settling down here just above the $30 mark, but 30.05 here is support. And man, it's in here a long time now. I've been in this trade a long time, and I got my stop just here about the 20 moving average, and boom, there she goes. Popped up, stopped me right out at $30.22 for 2.8% on the second half. So let's look at this overall trade here. I was in here on a bear pullback. I got short, and I had to be very, very patient here. Kept my stop just very tight, but still not quite in the money until it broke down here from this pattern. Then I had an in the money stop. It's formed another symmetrical triangle. Broke down, but that was a little bit of a fake, and then it did this descending triangle, and bam, and just waiting down here, bringing my stop down, stop me out. So this total trade was for 2.45% in 1 hour and 20 minutes. Wow, did that take some patience and some management. Hey, if you'd like to join us in the Grokstar room and trade with us right along with this, just like today, we had 8 trades and we netted about 7% of our for the day. Went our model portfolio at $10,000 per trade. That ends up being about $700 for the day. Not a bad income. So let's take a look here at groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com, and that's where you can where Savvy Traders advance, right? Go to Grokstar chat room, and right here we've got you can come join us right now here, read all about it. We do audible callouts all day long. We actually in pre-market find the charts that we're going to focus on at opening, and then I'm telling you where I'm looking at, where I want to get in if I in the area, and if once I'm in, where I'm managing my stops, and then where I exit. So you can join us right here, or you can, if you're not convinced, go ahead and read more about it down here. And again, 30 days for free, folks. Try us out for 30 days. If you're a day trader and can be in front of the markets between 9 o'clock and noon Eastern time, come join us. What's it going to cost you other than your time? After that, what, $147 per month? That's less than a commission a day. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that advanced traders set their trades and let the market come to them, while beginning traders chase for possible gains. Trade well.